It's a very sunny day and I need something to cool me down. If you love fruits like me, then get ready to enjoy this refreshing pineapple juice and fruit salad. Let me show you how to enjoy these simple fruits. Get your pineapple, lemon, apples, mint leaf, and ice cubes. That's it. First, make sure all your fruits are properly cleaned. Then cut and juice some pineapple. Drop in your ice cubes, lemon wedge, add your mint leaf. I'm telling you, this is super refreshing. Pineapple boosts immunity and is a great source of vitamin C, so you can't go wrong having this fresh juice. For that complete enjoyment. I made some butter cookies earlier as snacks, and now for a sip of the juice. I'm already feeling good. Please try this, it's so good. Next, it's time for the fruit combo. Cut your pineapples in bite-sized cubes. Also cut the apples into bite-sized cubes. Squeeze in some lemon juice all around the apples. It keeps them from getting brown. That's my hack. You can also achieve same results from using pineapple juice. It's looking so colorful. Then add the mint leaf. When you buy your mint leaf, you can put them in water to keep them fresh till you are ready to use them. Mint refreshes your breath and palate, so don't shy away from them. And it's a tropical, colorful, cooling and refreshing time with pineapple juice and fruit salad combo. Keep watching for Folicious Food Bites and subscribe for more refreshing recipes. Thank you.